Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and adab for Hindu region person. Hi viewers, I am Abu Talha speaking in front of you from class 3. We are talk illustration. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers, I am Abu speaking in front of you. I am a son of Sames English and today I am very happy. Now we are perform about a illustration. One boy sit wheelchair and one boys and one girls chatting. One boys and two girls. One boys and two girls playing butterfly. For that's all my information. We can see a old man is take away book and three students buy his book. Okay, next picture, let's go next picture. Abu stop karen, Abu stop karen, hoye geche. 8 students reading maths and boys school dress color is white and blue and the girls school dress color is only blue and the belt color is white. For the next picture, 5 boys is playing football and one boy and 2 girls is playing racquetball and I can see one girl is sitting a wheelchair.